Mastering the art of polite English. I was hoping. Hello everyone, and welcome to another video in our conversational English series. Today, we'll be focusing on an interesting and useful phrase, I was hoping. This is a great tool to add to your English-speaking repertoire, as it allows you to make requests and offers in a respectful and indirect manner. So, let's dive right in. First things first, what does "I was hoping" actually mean? It's a phrase we often use when we want to ask for something, make a suggestion, or express a desire for a certain outcome. It's often used as a softer, more polite way to express these things. For example, instead of saying, "Can you pass the salt?" which might come across as a little direct or blunt, you could say, "I was hoping you could pass the salt." This comes across as much more polite and respectful. It's important to remember that while "I was hoping" is indirect and polite, it isn't weak. Your intention and desire are clear, but you're simply expressing it in a less forceful way. Now that we've defined what "I was hoping" means, let's take a look at how to use it in your conversations. Remember, the key to using this phrase correctly is all about context. Generally, you'll find it useful in situations where you need to make a request, offer, or suggestion but want to maintain a degree of politeness or formality. Here are a few examples. 1. I was hoping we could meet for coffee this week. 2. I was hoping you might have some time to help me with this report. 3. I was hoping we could discuss your recent performance. In all these instances, "I was hoping" is used to open up a conversation in a non-confrontational way, expressing a desire while giving the other person space to respond comfortably. Learning any new language tool is about more than just understanding it. It's about practice. The more you use "I was hoping," the more natural it will feel. Try to incorporate it into your everyday English conversations. Maybe you're asking your boss for a day off, suggesting a movie to watch with friends, or negotiating with a colleague about a project deadline. These are all great opportunities to practice using "I was hoping." That's it for today's lesson, folks. We hope this video has given you a good understanding of the phrase, "I was hoping," and its usage in conversational English. Remember, it's a wonderful tool for making polite requests and offers, and it can really help you sound more natural and respectful in your English conversations. Don't forget to practice what you've learned today. Keep watching and keep learning. Until our next video, happy learning, everyone.